Good afternoon, all. So we are discussing addition, and addition means putting together, and we use plus symbol for addition. And the numbers we call it as addends. The numbers we are adding that we call as addends, and answer we get we call it as sum. And we also studied how to add the numbers using our fingers. Also, we use the number line. The line marked with the numbers, we call it as number line, and we can also see the numbers are marked between keeping equal distance between the numbers, and the number line start with the number 0. And we can also see two arrow marks at both ends, and it shows we can increase its length on both sides. We also discussed the properties of addition. That is the first one, zero property of addition. And zero property is when we add 0 to a number, we get the same number or the number itself. And after number property, that means when we add 1 to a number, we get the next number, or we can say the number just after it. And the third one, it is order in addition. While doing addition, if we change the position of numbers, nothing is happening to the sum. And last class, we started mental addition. Okay. Are you remembering mental addition? Yes. So just we can discuss some of the mental addition problems. Okay. Then we will move to the new one. So please tell me the answer. Elhana, tell me the answer. Here we have 4 plus 5. Add mentally and tell me the answer. Others, please be quiet. Elhana, 4 plus 5. Which is a bigger number?
9.
The answer is 9. Very good. The bigger number is 5. So that we will keep it in our mind. Then 5 we will take in our on fingers. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, good girl. Now, Akshat, tell me the answer. 11 plus 5. What's the answer, Akshat? Others, please be quiet. 11 plus 5. So which is a bigger number here?
11, 12,
Akshat, it is a bigger number.
14.
Eh?
11.
Are you listening here?
11.
I asked the question which is a bigger number. So the answer is 11. So 11, you can keep it in your mind. 5, you take on your fingers. Okay. Now, yes, Naidik, good. So after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what's the answer, Akshat?
16.
16. Okay. Banu Lakshana, it's for you. Next one. 8 plus 0. What's the answer? 8 plus 0, Banu Lakshana? 8. Java continue, I will ask you. Okay. Banu Lakshana, 8 plus 0. What's the answer? 8. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. Now, Java Karani, tell me the answer. 25 plus 1. What's the answer, Java? 25 plus 1?
6.
26. 25 plus 1, that is 26. And we add 1 to a number, we get the next number. So 25 plus 1 equal to 26. Good boy. Now, Madhu Krishna. Madhu Krishna, 5 plus 6. What's the answer? 5 plus 6. Mother, 5 plus 6. So 6 you can keep it in your mind. 5 you can take on your fingers. So after 6.
11. 11.
The answer is 11. Good boy. Abhimanyu, tell me the answer. 8 plus 2. So 8 is a bigger number that you can keep it in your mind. Now show me 2 fingers. 8 plus 2. Okay. Now after 8, count. After 8, 9, 10. So what's your answer? 10. The answer is 10. Now, Rishikesh, tell me the answer. Who is talking there? Good afternoon. Please be quiet. Rishikesh, tell me the answer. And your question is 6 plus 8. What's the answer, Rishikesh? 6 plus 8. 8 is a bigger number, so that you can keep it in your mind. And 6 you take on your fingers. Yes, very good. Now count continuously. After 8, Rishikesh, please unmute and tell me. After 8,
11,
14,
12, 13.
what about the next?
14.
We get the answer 14. Inaya, tell me the answer. Others, please be quiet. 7 plus 7. What's the answer, Inaya? 7 plus 7. So 1 7 you can keep it in your mind. Other 7 you take on your fingers. So after 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
yes, your answer is 14. Correct answer. Now Sarang Sharath. Sarang, tell me the answer. 5 plus 8. Sarang, 5 plus 8. So 8 is a bigger number. So that you can keep it on our mind. Now take 5 on your fingers.
10,
Ah,
11,
ah.
12,
Ah.
13,
So what's the answer?
13.
13. Okay. Now Asher, tell me the answer. Others, please be quiet. And your question is 7 plus 3. Asher, 7 plus 3. Which is a bigger number, Asher?
7.
So 7 you keep it in your mind. Now take 3 on your fingers. Now after 7,
10.
very good. The answer is 10. Rayan Sandeep, 6 plus 6. What's the answer, Rayan? 6 plus 6. 1 6 you can keep it in your mind. Other 6 you can take on your fingers. Now count. Will be 12. Now, Joanna Maria Vijay, tell me the answer. Joanna Maria. And your question is 7 plus 9. Joanna, 7 plus 9. So 9 is the bigger number. So you can keep 9 in your mind. And 7 you can take on your fingers.
8.
See, 9 on the mind, 9 in the mind, 7 in the fingers, 7 on the fingers. So after 9,
8.
after 9,
10.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 9 plus 7, the answer is 16. Now, Risa Mohammed, tell me the answer. 2 plus 6. Risa, 2 plus 6. So 6 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. What's the answer, Risa? 8. The answer is 8. Okay, good. Abel Yunus, tell me the answer. 5 plus 3. Abel, 5 plus 3. 5 in the mind, 3 on your fingers. Take your fingers and show me. After 5, 6, 7.
6, 7, 8.
So what's the answer?
8.
Now, 8. Okay. Now, Joseph, tell me the answer. 6 plus 8. Joseph, 6 plus 8. So 8 in the mind, 6 on fingers.
After 8.
10,
11, 12, 13, 14.
14. Good boy. Now, Alan, tell me the answer. 7 plus 4. Alan, 7 plus 4. 7 in the mind, 4 on your fingers. Eh? 7 plus 4, what's the answer, Alan?
Understand?
Eh? 7 plus 4, what's the answer?
Can I understand?
7 in the mind, 4 on the fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what's the answer? 11. Okay. Now, Irazian, tell me the answer. 7 plus 5. 7 in the mind, 5 on your fingers. Ira, 7 plus 5. What's the answer?
7,
Ah,
12.
ah.
12.
12. Okay. Now, Rashin. Rashin, tell me the answer. 8 plus 3. 8 in the mind, 3 on your fingers. Okay. The bigger number, you have to keep it on mind. So, after 8,
8
Ah. 3.
9, 10, 11.
So, what's the answer? 11. Okay. Did I miss anyone yesterday and today? Eh?
Mama, no.
Ah,
I'm saying
okay. Only these two. See, if I ask yesterday, it's okay. No problem. Okay, Saiha, tell me the answer. 7 plus 4. What's the answer, Saiha? 7 plus 4. 7 in the mind, 4 on the fingers. So after 7,
8, 9, 10, 11.
very good. It's 11. Okay. Now, Karthik, 9 plus 2. What's the answer? 9 plus 2?
Excuse me, ma'am.
9 in the mind, 2 on the fingers.
11.
Very good. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Now, see, and then I will ask you later. Then we will come to the new topic. Not a new topic, the same topic itself. Madhav, I already asked, you know. So I will ask you later. See, yesterday and today together, did I miss anyone? Abel. Okay, Abel, tell me the answer. Okay, the last one. Okay, 6 plus 5. What's the answer, Abel? 6 plus 5. 6 in the mind, 5 on fingers.
11.
11. Very good. Now you please listen to ma'am. Okay. Now let me share the screen. No need to write now. No need to write now. Please listen to ma'am. Okay. Now, just I'm writing one addition fact. That means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This we already know. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So here we are writing the numbers from left to right. Or we can see in a straight line. Or we can say we are writing the numbers side by side. Okay. No need to write. Listen to ma'am. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This way of writing we call it as horizontal. HORIZONTAL. Horizontal addition. In horizontal addition, we will write the numbers from left to right. Or we can say in a straight line way. Or sleeping line. Or we can say side by side. Now the same addition I can write.
We need to write.
No, listen. The same addition fact I can write one below the other. How? Listen here. I will write the first number 3. Then below this 3, I will write the next number 2. And I will put a plus symbol left side of 2. So here I wrote the numbers one below the other. Okay, one below the other. This way of writing, that means standing line. Or we can say from top to bottom. This we call it as vertical addition. Okay, vertical addition. The other name for vertical addition is column addition. COLUMN, column. So there are two ways of writing numbers. If we write the number as a straight line, or we are writing numbers from left to right, we call it as horizontal addition. And if we write numbers one below the other, we call it as vertical addition or column addition. You got the difference between horizontal and vertical addition? Horizontal means you have to remember the sleeping line. We will write the numbers side by side or left to right. So that way of writing, we call it as horizontal. And if you're writing the numbers one below the other, we will say vertical addition or column addition. We will write each number in columns, one below the other. So we call it as vertical addition. Now, please take a notebook, all of you. Let us write the numbers in vertical way or vertical addition. Okay, please take notebook, take a fresh page. The way of addition, the method of addition is same, mental addition itself, but the way of writing is different. That's all. So take a fresh page and write. At the top, you can write. Take a fresh page and we can write vertical, vertical. vertical, vertical. Or another name, another word, column, column, vertical, vertical, or the other word, column, 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 addition, addition. You can draw a line. It's a heading, main heading, vertical or column addition. Vertical or column addition.
Column COLUMN addition
Vertical or column addition. And here we are adding the one digit numbers. Yes, my dear? Yes, Risa?
We need to write.
Yeah, yes, we have to write. Take a fresh page and write. Now we are adding one digit number. So below this heading, we can write one more heading, subheading, that is addition of addition, addition of one digit numbers. So we are adding one digit numbers in vertical or column addition. We write these one digit numbers as one below the other, then we will add. So the first heading, vertical or column addition. In that we are adding today the one digit numbers. Addition of one digit numbers. Amy, keep your camera properly. You are upside down.
Ma'am, no, finish.
Okay. So below this heading, now you can keep your pencil down and please listen to me. You can keep your pencil down and please listen to ma'am. Okay, ma'am will give you time for writing. Now here we have to add the first one, that is A. And the question is, don't need to write now, listen to ma'am. 2 and 5. We are going to add 2 and 5. We can see this 2 and 5. Both are one digit number, having only one place. No? What is the place of one digit number? What we call the place of one digit number? Ones. If it is a two digit number, we call it as ones and tens. If it's only one digit number having only one place, that is ones. Okay. So here we are going to add 2 and 5. Therefore, listen here. 2 and 5. Now let's write the answer. 2 and 5 both are one digit number. So we can write the place. That means ones. So let us write the letter O. What do you mean by this O? It shows the place. One's place. Okay. No, listen to ma'am. Ma'am will give you time. Now you please listen. See, I put the O here. What is the meaning of that? Both the numbers are one digit numbers. Okay, having only one place. What is the place? Ones. So instead of ones, we are putting the letter O. Now below this place, we can write the numbers. And here we have the first number, that is 2. So let's write number 2 here. Now below this number 2, we can write the second number, that is 5. See, if you wrote like this, putting the right, 2 we are writing and 5 you are writing here, it's wrong.
And we are right.
Or 2 here we are writing and here we are writing, that is also wrong. I already informed you, no, don't write now, listen to ma'am. I will give you time. Okay. Now, so we first of all, we put the place, that is O for ones. And below this O, we write the first number, that is 2. And below 2, we write the second number, that is 5. Now we will put a plus symbol at the left side of 5. Then a small line below 5. Now we can add the numbers. 2 plus 5. So 5 in the mind, 2 on your fingers. So after 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. So 7 you can write here. Then you can write it 2 lines. That shows the answers. Okay, the answer is 7. So this is the way we are writing in vertical or column addition. Now don't write now, listen to ma'am. So I'm leaving some space at the middle and I am writing the second question B. You can also do the same way. You can leave some space at the middle and you can write the next question. And here we have the next question, 3 and 1. 3 and 1. So what we have to do first? 3 and 1 both are one digit numbers. So let's write first of all the place. So one's place. So let us write it letter O. Now below this O, we can write, I inform you, don't write now. Below this O, we can write the first number. The first number is 3. The second number, 1. Now we are putting plus symbol at the left side of 1. Now we can draw a small line. Now we can add 3 plus 1. No need to take any fingers. When we add 1 to a number, we get the next number. So 3 plus 1, the answer is 4. Now you can put it 2 lines after, means below this 4. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now, is it a clear vertical or column addition? Is it clear vertical or column addition? Tell me the answer. Yes. Now you can write in your notebook. Okay. Let me share the screen once again. Now you can write in your notebook. So one below the other, we are writing the numbers. The same way you have to write.
Ma'am, we need to write.
Now you can write, Naya. The first question, 2 and 5. Second question, 3 and 1. If it is asked, add vertically. So you have to use this method.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Yes. Addition of one digit numbers, and below you can see the first question. A, 2 and 5.
See the board.
Karthi, you can't see the board. I cannot do anything. You are facing network issue. I will send the same notes in the class group, so you can complete it.
We are finished.
Take time and write. No need to go very fast. You write properly. You write one below the other. We are putting capital letter O for place. It's a one digit number, so
And
it's
Inaya
one
has
space.
completed.
Okay, good.
My Amy has completed. My Saraf completed.
Okay, goodbye.
My Amy has completed.
What is this O, Seraphin? Seraphin, ma'am wrote this big letter, no O. What is that?
Once.
Ah, it's ones. See, in vertical way of addition, how we will write the numbers, Seraphin? We write the numbers one below the other. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
One below the other.
And say have completed.
Okay, good, good. We are writing numbers one below the other.
And Java completed.
Goodbye, goodbye.
And they were not completed. And they were not completed.
Deva, you write. No need to tell me I didn't complete. You please complete it. So let me give you one question. Will you do it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can write C. Okay, below this A you can write. If you have space the same page, you can use that. So we can write C here. Okay, C here. The question is 5 and 3. 5 and 3. So please do it. 5 and 3.
Math are completed.
Show me Seraphin the page. Good boy.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it your sister or you? Seraphin? Is it
Ma'am.
your sister or you yourself, Seraphin?
Chelsea finished.
Is it your sister or you? Okay, Chelsea, good.
Ma'am, Joanna finished.
Okay, good, good. Joanna, okay, Kevin, very good. Okay, now Joanna Maria, show me the page. Okay, good.
I'm sorry, completed.
Okay, Rishikesh, good.
And
You can write inside the box. No need to move to one side. Okay, one line. At the middle, you can write the Rishikesh. at the middle. So you can check your answer. Okay, ma'am will write the answer. You can check your answer. So here we will write first of all the answer ANS. So here you can see 5 and 3 both are one digit numbers. So you can put the place. And here we have one space. Now the first number is 5. So we can write 5 here. Second number is 3. We can put plus symbol. We can draw a small line. And below the small line, you can write the answer. 5 plus 3. 5 in the mind, 3 on fingers. So after 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. We can put 2 lines after below 8. I will give you one more. Okay. Let me give you one more question.
Yes.
And the question is very simple. 8 and 1. 8 and 1.
8 and 1. Okay.
8 and 1. Please write the answer.
9.
Oh, yes, good. When we add 1 to a number, we get the next number.
Ma'am, Chelsea finished.
Okay, good.
And Sarah completed.
Okay, good, Chelsea.
Completed.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, Sarah completed.
Saravan, show me the page.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, Abel finished. Ma'am, what
Abel, show me the page. Okay, Saravan, show me the page, Abel. Rishikesh. Okay, good, Rishikesh. Okay, good. Now let's see. Let's write. Like you can check your answer. Okay, so let's write the place. That is ones. Now below this ones, we can write the numbers. And here we have 8 and 1. So let's write the number 8 first. Then below 8, we can write the number 1. Let's put a plus symbol. Now 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, Abel, good. Where is the other question? B, C and D, Abel. Write C and D. Abel, write C and D. Okay. So we'll write the answer 9. So please complete it. Abel, write C and D. Only this much for today. We will continue the same in the next class also.
I have completed.
Okay, good.
Okay,
Nidik, I can see half of the page. Please raise up.
ma'am has completed, ma'am.
Okay, good. Nainia, okay. D, 8 plus 0. Nainia, show me once again.
Ma'am has completed.
I can't see Nainia. I can't see. Where is your A and B, Nainia? Where is your A and B? Okay. Now, Karthik Krishna. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Very good. Okay, good. Okay, good. I cannot see all because I okay, Anirudh, good boy. So let me wind up the session. The same notes I will forward in the group. Okay, same. Java candidate, good. Alan and Alfie, did you write in the notebook? Okay, Rayan. So the same topic we will continue in the next class also. Okay, so thank you for joining. See you. Bye.
Bye.